Hey guys, Scarecrow Stalk is back, just like I predicted last year, and just like I predicted last year, it's not free. This will show you in this video, you'll see where all of the scarecrows are. So this is a spoilery video. If you don't want to be spoiled, don't watch the rest of it, but hopefully you will. First stop is Fast and Furious Gear Shop with Pumpkinhead here. And once again, it's a pretty cool pumpkin, but first, a scarecrow, but first, we need to get a map. So you might remember that last year they had the Scarecrow Stalk and Trick or Treat was separate. Now they kind of combine the two. You get the chocolate bar with the map, and then you get the candy at the locations. Kind of interesting. Good news if you're a team member or certain levels of annual pass holder, you will get a discount on it because it is considered merchandise. So cool. It's not free, but hey, discount, right? Ooh. Thanks, Vanna. And there you go. This is the bag. I didn't get this last year because it was restricted to guests under 12 years old, if I remember correctly. And here is the chocolate bar. So in a moment, I'm going to open this. I guess this makes it kind of an unboxing video, sort of. And there it is. I feel like with this music, I should be like, Now remember, last chance. This is there's a whole map, so you're gonna see everything. And that's where we're going. This actually is number 4 on the list. So I'm gonna go back and get my stamp. Number 1 is well, as usual, in the main store. You don't have to go in order, I just like to do so. Also, in case you missed it, it is Now and Later here at Fast and Furious Gear Shop. Done. Now we're at number 3, going the wrong way, Men in Black. Candy here at Men in Black. Smarties!
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
With the candy in the basket. I know, it's not a basket. While I'm here, really quickly, you can get a 30 years Apple Watch band. Damn it, I have to get this. $32.60 for this, so I am not going to get it after all. So let's start this from the beginning, even though I have 2 stamps. This is in the main Universal Studio store in Universal Studios, as opposed to the one in City Walk, also called the Universal Studio Store. And Whoppers. Woohoo! Ta-da! The next is the 5 and Dime store. I don't care, I'm still calling it the Born Store-tacular. And inside the Born Store-tacular, we have License to Thrill, which I'm guessing is this reference to the fact that this is rumored to be a James Bond themed attraction. Briefly stopping at the arcade. No Halloween Horror Nights tokens this year. Now in Sahara Traders, this is this year's attempt at a cool scarecrow. Once again, ghostly swoosh. I don't know.
Don't mess up, don't mess up, don't mess up.
Oh, wrong one, just kidding. Final stop in Universal Studios for the Scarecrow Stalk 2021 is Tonight Shop, starring Jimmy Fallon, otherwise known as Fall on Ride. Wow, look at that old TV. The Halloween show, KHHN TV. It's already an improvement over Jimmy Fallon. Some dum-dums. All right. Before we leave Universal, let's look at last year's stars of the Scarecrow Stalk. Rosie's Irish Shop. A surprise from SpongeBob SquarePants and the SpongeBob SquarePants. This one was awesome. And also Men in Black. Now at Islands of Adventure, we're going into the Universal Studios Islands of Adventure Trading Company. And when you walk in, you see this. Trick or treat. And you see, style, you have nerds here. From a super long name to just store. We find the smallest one of the Scarecrow Stalk. And this is, don't stay up too late. Not likely gonna happen. I mean, not staying up late. Staying up late will happen. And the flashlight works too. This one has Sweet Tart Pops. Now in Toon Lagoon, it's Toon Extra. I think it says somewhere Toon Extra, I can't remember where, but enter is his splashboard. This one's an actual Scarecrow. Costco Scarecrow. Sour Patch Kids. Yay! Next stop is the Dino Store. See, I didn't make up that one. So I thought they'd go with the Born Stortacular. This is a very casual one, and I will say it looks a lot like a Muppet. Sorry, it does. And there is Pez without the dispenser. I can tell you many, many times I used to eat Pez directly from the package. Dispenser just makes it take longer to get more candy. So what fun's that? Water break. Now in the Lost Cause. Shop of Wonders is what's on the map, but it's actually All Hallows Eve Boutique. That was its name. It's not its name now. So if you're new to the park, that'll confuse you. Good job, guys.
What is the magic word?
Staying in the Lost Cause, it's Treasures of Poseidon. This was a store last year for Trick or Treat, making this the second time I've ever been in the store. Once again, for candy. Sweetheart, it's so sweet. And here is the final Scarecrow of the two parks. We still have City Walk. As you're walking out of Islands of Adventure, you might want to go to Twosome first, even though it's not the correct order, but no, I'm going to go over to Legacy first. Here we are now at the Universal Legacy store, which is the sign that really bothers me because I thought they were going to change Universal in store to match Legacy, but no, and it looks cheesy. All right, so on to the lamest one of all so far. More Pops, this time Tootsie Pops.
Only
Let
one,
me see your
remember
Tootsie
that.
Pop. Your Tootsie Pop. Ooh, number 13. And number 14. Why there's a number 14, I don't know, but it is Twosome Chocolate Emporium and Savory Feast Kitchen. And it is this guy. For a minor, he's pretty tall. Chocolate Canary.
The last one?
Yep.
How exciting!
Oh, so sort of chocolate, but not really. Ha! Tootsie Rolls. See, I thought they would give a little sample of chocolate from here so that you'd be like, oh, this is good, I should buy more. No. But, thanks for doing the Scarecrow Stalk with me this year. Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop. Well, I'm not a huge chocolate fan, but it's pretty good. It's a little thick, but it's good. It is only melted because I've been walking around outside in 86-degree weather for a while.